Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2 channel. This time I'm going to cover new arrivals. Kaido House, the R34 Pink, MiniGT, there's a BMW, there's a Cadillac prototype, there's a FL5. I'm going to cover the BBR as well, the Maserati and the Ferrari. And I'm going to cover two new American Diorama figures. Okay, so that's what I'm going to cover this time. You can skip forward to what you're looking for. For now, I'm going to keep the BBR arrival video together with the MiniGT because the American Diorama and BBR do ride along the MiniGT logistics, as far as I understand. Hence, they do tend to appear together. So I'm going to do the video together as well for now. And I think let's get straight to it. It's already out of the box because I do live unboxing over at Collector's Cube, so do follow them there. Hit the like button for me because that will help me out. That will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so the first one I think you guys want to see would be a Kaido House Pink. Quite a few variants already. Nissan Skyline GT-R, R34, Kaido House Racing Factory version 1, number 128. So I really like the color combination with white, pink and white. This is actually very nice. Okay, just show you the inner box. It has Kaido House Junimai's number 0. Okay, there we go. Already got it out of the box. And so it just arrived a couple 2 days ago from this recording, and I did hear a little bit of QC issues on this Kaido House. So I'm not the only one having this problem. Okay, so I already have the hood up open. So what happened is yeah, there's a gap. It's slanted to the side. Okay, so when I close it up, yeah, it's going to be super tight. I'm going to have quite a challenge to open it up, so I'm going to close it maybe a little later. I'll show you the engine details first. Again, with the white color detail, that's actually very nice. Okay, the headlamps, the indicator lights, the Nishmo logo with the carbon fiber lip, that's very nice as well. I really do quite like this pink-white color combination, but QC issues, they were a little bit, it's quite a bit of a turn off. Going to the back, I really like the Japanese words there. I think it's Kaido House. I think it's Kaido, and I'm not sure what's the other writing there. If you do know, let me know in the comment section below, okay? Together with the number plate, so I think it's Kaido. Alright, Skyline, the GTR logo, the Nissan logo, nice. Nice. Okay, we go to the side. The rims are really, I love this set of rims. Love it. Love that color as well. Very deep dish in the back. Okay, not so deep dish in front. Roll cage in white, pink color seats, carbon fiber dash, nice. Okay, so now I want to cover the front hood to show you what I mean by the QC issue. So you see it's slanted to the side. Okay, so if I close it, it's still slanted. Okay, so if I try to press it in, now that it's in, it's not so obvious now. Okay, it's not so obvious now, but I will have trouble trying to open it up. Okay, it'll be very tight. Oh well. The only other QC issue that I had previously that I can recall that passed through my hands would be the 510 Pro Street Brie livery. I had some issue with that. Okay, that's the pink, and I have the chase out here as well. So the chase version does have, it's also slightly slanted. You can see the gap difference left and right. Okay, so it's basically raw body with the pink fenders, pink side mirror. Interior seems identical with the red color roll cage. So this color combination is quite nice as well. White, raw steel, and pink. Nice. Nice. Okay, so I'm sure I'm gonna have issue trying to open it up. Yeah, it's very tight. So I think it's not just a QC issue. Probably something went wrong with the assembly line. Okay, so that's a Kaido House number 128. Next I want to show you will be MiniGT. I believe this is a new casting. I don't think they've done this BMW M4 CSL before. I think previously it was Performance, and I can't recall what's the other variant. So this is an Alpine white. And very quickly, actually, before I even show you this, right, while I'm showing you this, we're expecting the black one to arrive soon as well. So this is Alpine white. So nice, very nice. Love the M4 rims as well, in black, so can't see much details, but overall quite a nice casting. Can see the tail lights done very nicely. The BMW logo is done nicely as well. Okay, the fender details. Coming back to the front headlamp, the big kidney grills. Okay, interior is all in black, so you can't see much. Okay, all right, so that's an M4. And next I want to show you will be the Cadillac V-Series. Okay, this is number 2. This is the Le Mans. Okay, race in Le Mans 2023, third place, 24 hours. Okay, Le Mans 24 hours, third place, Cadillac Racing, MiniGT number 716. I can't really recall right now. I think this is the third Cadillac. Okay. I would like to apologize. I just can't keep track of the all the cars that's coming out right now. I try to keep track wherever I can, but it's just the rate that they're coming out with and the number of variants that they release. It's pretty crazy. So I do try to keep track, but yeah, I think this is the third one if I'm not mistaken. 2 IMSA and now this Le Mans. I think so. Okay, with the tire bombs as well. Nice. Nice. Third place. Okay, podium car. Alright, that's third place, Cadillac. I want to show you MiniGT number 753, Civic Type R number 3. This will be the FL5, 2023 pace car in blue. So they've came out with the white with red, red with white, and now blue with white. Okay, so the third pace car. So MiniGT does have a very nice FL5 casting. I've did a comparison before between 3 brands: MiniGT, Para 64, and HobbyJapan. I'll probably put the link in the description below. You can check that out. 3 different price points. So same car. So I did a comparison. Okay, you can check that out. So this is actually a very nice casting from MiniGT. Nice, very nice. Okay. Alright, so I'm done with the Kaido House and MiniGT. I'm going to move on to the BBR. First one I'll show you will be the first regular Ferrari, regular release from BBR on their Ferrari casting. Okay, the Ferrari 296 GTB. This will be Ferrari number 2, serial number 2. Okay, BBR FER64 number 2, Ferrari 296 GTB Rosso Corsa, Assetto Fiorano. Alright. The first one was released during Hobby Expo China, so that was in plain white, plain red. So now it has this McDonald's color. Looks a little bit funny. It does look like it has a duck bill. Okay, so I've not done any of my homework. I don't know much about this 296 GTB. Okay, if you do know, just drop a comment. But what I do know is the amount of details goes to the back here. Look at that. The carbon fiber diffuser, the tail lights, the exhaust. This is actually very nice. Very nicely done by BBR. The Ferrari emblem as well. Nice. You can see a little bit of the engine in there. Nice. With the Ferrari logo down there. Okay. Very nice rims actually. Very detailed. Very, very detailed set of rims. Even with the Ferrari emblem there. Okay, there's a Ferrari emblem here. We check out the front. So these are not printed headlamps. They are sculptured, okay, with a proper lens cover. Okay. Skirt with carbon fiber effect. Very nicely done. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's the Ferrari. Then next I want to show you would be this MC12, the third variant. Serial number 24. Okay, Maserati M12 Competizione 2008 FIA 24 hours of Spa JMB racing car number 15. This is actually very nice. So what happened, I don't have the regular MC12 with me to compare, so I don't know if there's any difference. I think the spoiler is different. I think so. Okay, probably the side mirror is different as well. So I'll try to find time to do a separate comparison video. Okay, nice, very nice casting, solid. So the only thing about BBRs is there's no disc brakes, no disc brake details, but that seems to work fine on this casting in this rim design, and it rolls. So rollable is more important than the disc brake for BBR and 64 scale. Nice. The print are all on point. Nicely done. Okay. All right. So this is another new arrival. Two new arrivals from BBR, and I want to cover next would be the American Diorama. So two new items. One is Pro Wrap, detailing wrapping crew. Okay, probably a customer and 5 crew. Okay, comes together with a transparent film. So transparent film, mine is inside. Unfortunately, out of the box, it's already, yeah, it just gives you a sheet of well, a plastic sheet, but mine, you see, it's already folded. It has that permanent fold mark. Yeah, I can hear me sigh very loudly. Anyway, I don't I don't think I'm able to stick it there anyway. Okay, it's a little bit too crazy to do that. All right, it's a transparent film anyway, so it's just 3DS. Can't see it. Okay, 6 figures in a set. I do quite like these 3 guys. Okay, the action figure holding stuff, sponge and stuff. I do quite like that. Okay, the 3. Right, so this is the Pro Wrap set, and then the photographer set. This is another nice, very nice set actually. Here we go. 6 photographers, all in different poses. Nice. And these are actually very affordable figures, and they are diecast. Okay, so they are quite solid. Yeah. Can you stand? The earlier versions of American Diorama figures can stand very nicely. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one can stand. I wonder if they can still stand. Oh, they can still stand. Nice. Nice. I thought that they won't stand. Hang on. I'll put another figure here. There. There. And let's see. Maybe I can put one more at the back. Okay, in this pose. Nice. Yes. So that's one of the advantage of American Diorama figures. They can stand. You don't need a tag. Okay, you don't need a tag for it. Nice. And one more. One more. Let's see. Help me to hit the like button, okay, if you haven't done so, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Oh no, this one cannot stand. Oh no. Okay, we won't put it aside. Alright, so that's it for this time around. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of MiniGT Kaido House BBR American Diorama drop. So do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other diecast videos. I strongly encourage you guys to pre-order the cars that you want, that you need from these brands, because they are quite reputable, and so far, whatever they promise to make, so far they will do it. If they don't, they will actually update. So, but then again, being realistic, QC issues will continue to happen. The only way, because it's never gonna be 100% perfect. It's just how they handle the QC problems. So I do hope that KaidoHouse will actually look into what happened to this hood QC issue. Let's see if they make any announcement on that. And that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a couple extras of these. They're available through Collector's Cube, so do look them up. All right, they do ship international. They do have their own website as well. Cool. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.